To manage Wealthfront investing, start by understanding the platform's automated investment service, which offers low-cost and diversified portfolios. Begin by signing up for a Wealthfront account, providing basic information and linking your bank account. Next, determine your investment goals and risk tolerance, which will help Wealthfront create a personalized investment plan. Wealthfront's investment strategy is based on modern portfolio theory, which aims to maximize returns for a given level of risk. The platform offers a range of portfolios, from conservative to aggressive, and invests in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. You can choose from pre-built portfolios or create a custom portfolio based on your individual needs. Once your account is set up, Wealthfront will automatically invest your money and continuously monitor your portfolio, rebalancing as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. You can also take advantage of Wealthfront's tax loss harvesting feature, which helps minimize taxes on your investments. To manage your Wealthfront account, log into the platform and view your dashboard, which provides an overview of your portfolio, including your investment balance, returns, and asset allocation. You can also use the platform to adjust your investment plan, add or withdraw funds, and view detailed reports on your investment performance. Best practices for managing your Wealthfront account include regularly reviewing your investment plan, monitoring your portfolio's performance, and adjusting your risk tolerance as needed. It's also important to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401(k) or IRA, to optimize your investment returns. By following these steps and using Wealthfront's automated investment service, you can create a diversified and low-cost investment portfolio that helps you achieve your long-term financial goals.